Today, we will talk about how to make money online with social media. This step-by-step guide is here to help you navigate the world of social media and turn your online presence into hard cash. Whether you're a brand looking to boost your sales or a creative soul wanting to monetize your passion, we've got you covered. We'll share all the ways you can generate income through social media and provide you with tips on using a social media management tool to make the process super simple. Passive income is essentially money that you make without having to clock in and out. It's not tied to your 9 to 5 and is earned without your direct involvement. Strictly passive income refers to revenue sources like a rental property or stock dividends. But the term is increasingly used for income generated from prior works, such as royalties on creative content or affiliate marketing commissions from a website you've built. Let's explore how to make money on social media in 2024. How to make money on social media as a brand. If you want to know how to make money on social media as a brand, there are several things you can explore. Social media platforms offer brands many ways to generate income online. Let's go through them in detail one by one. 1. Partnerships and sponsored content. To make money on social media as a brand, you can partner with other brands for sponsored content. This is a great way to monetize your online presence and increase income. By collaborating with brands, you can create sponsored posts that promote their products or services to your audience. This can be done through photos, videos, or written content that showcases the brand in a positive light. Not only will you get paid for these partnerships, but you'll also have the opportunity to engage with your followers and provide them with valuable content. To make the most out of sponsored content, it's important to choose brands that align with your values and resonate with your audience. For example, if you're selling bottled water, you can partner with skincare brands to share a message about the benefits of hydration for the body. This partnership can be mutually advantageous for you and the skincare brand. Benefits of partnerships and sponsored content. Increased revenue potential. Partnerships and sponsored content allow social media influencers to monetize their platforms beyond traditional advertisements. You can earn a significant income stream by collaborating with brands and promoting their products or services. Diversification of income, relying solely on advertisements or brand collaborations can be risky as algorithms and market trends can change, affecting the visibility and profitability of such content. However, partnerships and sponsored content offer you the chance to diversify your income sources. Authentic brand alignment. Partnerships and sponsored content allow influencers to collaborate with brands that align with their brand and values. This can result in more accurate and genuine content, as influencers are more likely to promote products or services that they genuinely believe in and enjoy using. Now let's explore another way to monetize your brand on social media, joining an affiliate program. 2. Affiliate programs. Affiliate marketing programs are the most popular response to the question, how to make money on social media. Partnering with brands and earning a commission for promoting and selling their products or services is a great way to monetize your social media presence. In fact, $1.5 billion has been invested in the affiliate marketing industry, which means that the industry is growing continuously. Signing up for affiliate programs offered by e-commerce platforms, marketplaces, or individual brands requires you to share affiliate links or discount codes on your social media platforms. You can earn a commission for every successful purchase your followers make by tracking the sales generated through your unique referral links. Dropshipping is one of the best passive income ideas to earn money from wherever you are, even if you don't have a lot of cash flow to begin with. The dropshipping business model involves creating an e-commerce store where customers browse and buy products. What's interesting about dropshipping is that you don't have to see or physically manage the products you sell. Choose your niche. Select a niche that interests you and has demand. Research trends and competition to find a balance. Market research. Analyze your target audience, their preferences, and buying habits. Identify your competitors and what they offer. Business plan. Create a business plan outlining your goals, budget, and marketing strategy. Consider your branding and positioning in the market. Legal structure. Decide on your business structure, whether it's a sole proprietorship, LLC, or corporation. Register your business and obtain any required permits. Supplier selection. Find reliable suppliers and wholesalers who offer dropshipping services. Popular platforms include AliExpress, Silhou, and Oberlo. To be successful in affiliate marketing, create high-quality content that showcases the benefits and features of the products or services you're promoting. That said, you must continue to build trust with your audience by providing honest reviews and recommendations. Benefits of joining an affiliate program as a brand. Additional income. Joining an affiliate program allows you to earn additional income from your social media platforms. By promoting products or services to your followers, you can earn a commission every time someone makes a purchase through your affiliate link. Flexibility and freedom. Affiliate programs offer flexibility and freedom regarding how and when you promote products or services. You have the freedom to choose the products that align with your niche or audience, and you can promote them in a way that feels authentic and natural. Scalable income potential. As your social media following grows and your influence increases, so does your earning potential. Affiliate programs often offer tiered commission structures, meaning the more sales you generate, the higher the commission rate you can earn. 3. Online merchandise stores. To continue monetizing your social media presence as a brand, you can sell merchandise to your followers and turn your online following into a profitable business. Selling merchandise is a great way to generate income, strengthen your brand identity, and engage with your audience on a deeper level. You can design and sell products related to your brand or content, such as t-shirts, hoodies, accessories, or digital products like ebooks or online courses. You can also utilize print-on-demand services to create and sell custom merchandise without the hassle of inventory management. For instance, you can collaborate with artists or designers to create unique and eye-catching designs. Your brand can promote your merchandise through social media posts, collaborations with other creators, and exclusive pieces to your most loyal fans. With a well-executed strategy, you can boost your revenue and build a strong community around your brand. Benefits of selling merchandise on social media: increased reach and potential customer base. Selling merchandise on social media platforms allows businesses to tap into a vast audience and reach customers who may not have been aware of their products otherwise. Social media platforms have billions of active users, providing a significant opportunity to expand the customer base and increase sales. Cost-effective marketing and advertising. Traditional marketing and advertising methods can be expensive, especially for small businesses. Social media platforms offer cost-effective ways to promote merchandise, allowing businesses to create targeted ads, sponsored posts, or influencer collaborations without breaking the bank. Enhance customer engagement and loyalty. Social media provides a direct line of communication between businesses and customers, fostering engagement and building brand loyalty. By selling merchandise on social media, businesses can interact with customers through comments, direct messages, and live chats. 4. User-generated content. As a brand looking to monetize its social media presence, one effective strategy is to create user-generated content to generate income. UGC refers to content created and shared by your audience. This can include photos, videos, testimonials, and reviews. It helps build a strong community around your brand and provides valuable and authentic content that can attract more customers. You can encourage your followers to create UGC by running contests, challenges, or campaigns that involve them in the creative process. You can offer incentives such as discounts, exclusive access, or even the chance to be featured on your social media platforms to encourage them. Benefits of creating user-generated content on social media. Increased engagement. User-generated content can greatly enhance engagement on social media platforms. When users feel involved and empowered to create and share content, they are more likely to actively engage with brands and their products. Authenticity and trust. UGC is often perceived as more authentic and trustworthy compared to traditional brand-generated content. When real people share their experiences, testimonials, or reviews about a product or service, it creates a sense of credibility and trust among other users. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.